Often traders reach out to me seeking to improve their consistency both outside of the firm and internally. One firm trader sought to chat after a frustrating month about this very issue. In his monthly review, he outlined this issue for which he wanted to chat. I'm ending the month carrying a lot of frustration. I feel I underperformed given the opportunity that was available to me. My trading consisted of a lot of ups and downs, and the month didn't really play out with the consistency that I would have liked. I'm also taking a lot away from the month in terms of learning, growing, assessing in order to make next month better. So that is tilting the scales of frustration back towards a more balanced place. Coming out of the end of February, there were definite clear signals that I was getting sloppy in my trading, taking too much drawdown in the mornings, and this continued into March. I managed to dig out on most occasions, but in the third week of March, it caught up to me. In terms of my focal assessment areas, I shifted from sizing and managing losers to patient and open-mindedness. I deemed those two constructs were of higher priority to get out of my slump. So if you're like the trader above, you're not the first, nor will you be the last to struggle with consistency. And I hope that affords you some solace so that you can work on a solution and feel a little bit better about yourself as a trader. I suggested 3 areas of focus for this particular trader. 1, develop a routine that you can finish presently each day. A routine followed daily will help you trade more consistency in real time. Don't develop a routine unrealistic to complete daily. What can you commit to now that is necessary for you to trade optimally? 2nd, did you improve today? Instead of focusing on your P&L, judge your day on whether you improved. The underperformance in P&L ignites frustration. And really, what does that accomplish? Better to be working on what you must to improve and determine if you did. 3rd, study the heck out of your edge. Study the heck out of your best trades. If you take 85% of your trades and setups with edge, it's very difficult to produce a frustrating day. One developing trader on the desk is shooting for 85% of trades within his playbook each trading session. When you're in an A+ setup, it's hard not to be having fun. I submit, even if those trades work against you, trading A+ setups, this makes for a day without much frustration. I hope that helps. We'll talk to you soon. Trade well.